Yo, what up traders? So in today's video, I'm going to continue from the previous video. And in the previous video, we talked about something called break of structure and change of character. So we said break of structure is when price breaks a structure, that is if price brings a previous swing high or a previous swing low and continues the same trend. Buy change of character is when price breaks a swing high or a swing low and changes from one trend to another. So we're going to check it out in the charts now. So in the chart, let's look at this. Let's look at this uptrend here. As you can see, price is obviously moving in an upward direction. This is an uptrend. So price now moved from this uptrend to this downtrend. So let's analyze the break of structures and the change of character. So from here, this is where the uptrend started. So let's just start from here. Let us draw this straight line from here. So you draw a straight line from here. This is so I'm going to use because the typing gave me issues in the last video, so I'm just going to use color coding to make this video very fast, and hopefully this video is not going to take too long. So the red arrow is going to signify break of structure, which is going to be written as BOS, and while the green arrow is going to signify change of character, which is written as CHOCH, change of character. So let me change this to green. Yeah. So now the red, this is a break of structure because price continued in the upward direction. Price broke the structure with this candle that broke this previous high. Then price broke this structure again. Draw this out from here. So we're going to change this to red, obviously, because price is still continuing in this direction. Now I want you guys to look at this very carefully. Just like we explained in the previous video, price, this is the lower, this is the higher high, and this is the lower high. Price came up to this split, but price did not break this previous higher high. So this is still not a valid higher high. So then price came in, then boom, it broke this higher high right here. So this is going to be my lower high, and this is going to be my higher high. So this is still a break of structure because price is still in this uptrend. Now sorry about that. Then price broke this high again. This is still a valid break of structure because price broke this high in this upward direction. Now if you look at this again from this high, if I draw it down to this point, as you can see, price, this is the lower, this is the higher high, this is the lower high, this is the higher high. Price broke this high. This is still a valid uptrend. Then again, if I draw this high, I want you guys to notice something here now. Price fails to break this high. Price failed to break this high. So we're going to notice something. So if price did not break the high, the previous high, then it is definitely going to take the previous low. That is if the market is trending. So price did not take this high. Instead, this is the high, this is the low. If you want to easily get the high and low, don't forget how we talked about. So you just draw a straight line in the high and draw a straight line in the low. If you draw a straight line in the low, you are going to end up finding out that this is the low. This is the low. This is the low. Now, I want you guys to notice that don't forget the fact that price did not break this high. Price did not break this high. Instead, price came to break the low. And when price break this low, did it continue in this upward direction? No. Price started coming down. This, can you see this upward movement? It ended as soon as price broke this low right here. So as price broke this low, it becomes a change of character. A change of character. As this price has broken a trend from an upward trend to a downward trend. And as you can see, as price broke this it creates the um lower high and a lower low. Then price broke this lower low. So in a downtrend now, this is now a break of structure. Why? Because price broke this lower low and continued this direction. Price and also broke this lower low. Price broke this lower low and continued this downward direction. Price also broke this lower low and continued this downward direction. This is another lower low, as you can see. Price broke this lower low and continued this direction. This is another lower low. Now watch this. Price fails to break this lower low. Price couldn't break it. Price failed to break this lower low. Now, if price did not break the lower low, where do you think price will be after? Price did not break the lower low. We'll check out the lower high. This is the lower low. This is the lower high. Now, the price break the lower high. Let's check it out. Take your drawing tool. The price break the lower high. Exactly. Price broke the lower high. So since price has broken the lower high, it now becomes a change of character. It becomes a change of character. Change it to green. As you can see, then price give us the lower low. Then we wait for price to break this new higher high. So we'll draw a line from the higher high. This Now this is not a change of character. This is a break of structure because price broke the previous structure and it is continuing in this. After price broke this previous lower high, then it changed from this down move, then it became an uptrend. So price broke this. So let's draw this. Price just draw this high at this high. Price broke this high, then came down from a lower high, then draw this one again. Then price broke this high. Price broke this high, came down again to form a retracement. Then price broke this high. So for instance, now if we now see something like this, for instance, if we see something like this in the forex market, if price came from here down to here and breaks where's the eraser? Yeah. Now let's erase all this. For instance, don't forget this is the high, this is the low, this is the new. Let's say this is our new higher high, and this is our new lower high. If you notice, if I draw something like this, you find out that price failed to break this high, then it ended up coming to break this low, which is going to make this a change of character. And don't forget, price failed to break this high. This is going to make this a change of character. It means that price broke its structure, but it changed the trend from an uptrend to a downtrend. But don't forget, if price breaks this low, if price breaks this lower low, it is not going to be a change of character. It is going to be a break of structure because price broke this previous structure, but it's still price broke this previous price if this price break this structure, price broke this previous structure, but it is still in a downtrend. Price broke this previous structure, but it's still continuing this downtrend. So it's about that's all about that. So we've actually done a little bit of trend cycle. So in next video we're going to talk more about it. So we've talked about swing highs and swing lows. We've talked a little bit about um, trend cycle. So we started it in the previous video, and I think we've talked more about it in this video. So in the next, we've even talked about break and change of structure while we're moving very fast. So in the next video, we're going to talk more about um, trend cycles and break and change of structure. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you.